Viewers sending in these snapshots, photo after all that flooding hit stranding drivers, and that is not even the half of it. All right, sinkholes, pop-up waterfalls, homes hit with such forceful flooding, the water actually broke into their homes. We know at least one person got pinned in all of this.
This was a mess. Action News reporter Kelly Brennan was there where the mud was so high it was pushing appliances to the ceiling. Kelly, this looks awful.
There was so much devastation in Elizabeth Township tonight. The water just rushing down Boston Hollow Road and even coming off the hillside. And it all ends here at the bottom of the hill. 2 homes hit the absolute hardest. This one, so much water pressure against that garage door that it actually busted through, trapping a man inside. And your dad's okay?
My dad is okay.
Jessica Williams' husband and father were in the basement setting up a pump to get rid of just a few inches of water. But out of nowhere, it was as if the floodgates had opened.
When it pushed our basement door in, my husband ran over and shut the electric off. And that refrigerator it fell over, and my dad was pinned in the basement in the water, and it was just rushing so fast.
This is the refrigerator her dad was pinned behind. This, her washer, and her dryer were all floating inches from the rafters. A half a mile down the road, Boston Ballfield Park turned into a waterfall.
It was coming over like tidal waves across there, about 6 foot high in the air.
The water caused the road to collapse, which left David Letchford and his friends with no way to get their car out.
You gotta walk them.
Hours later, the cleanup on the road. This is where dispatchers say 5 people had to be rescued from their cars by Swiftwater rescue teams. The water so powerful it may have caused a sinkhole in the Williams' backyard. Next door, neighbors are pumping out water that rose as high as the doorknob. Everything in the Williams basement is a total loss. You can see that motorcycle in the garage covered in sewage and debris. You can hear the generators running in the background behind me. Elizabeth Township Fire Department and Greenock Fire Departments were both on scene helping to pump out the water, but there's still a lot of work that needs to be done. Reporting in Elizabeth Township tonight, I'm Kelly Brennan, Channel 4 Action News.
Yeah,